just want you to sign them, or they want to be a part of the movement of what's going on, but they not bringing no value. See, if you don't bring value to value, devalue value.
Right.
And if you don't bring business to business, it ain't no business. It's bullshit.
But the thing, bro, with these, everybody want to start at the top.
Everybody want that microwave heater.
Everybody want to start at the top, and everybody want to ball off the rip.
Off the rip.
Everybody. Know what I mean? That's cool, but shit, what you doing for yourself? Is you gonna put in the work to ball off the rip? Is you putting in the work right now to ball off the rip, or is it just all on somebody else to make you ball off the rip?
That's the game.
That's the game right there. Everybody want that
if
microwave
you feel
heater.
like that, if you with that opinion, with that attitude, me personally, you a fuck me. Cause, bruh, this life, bruh, life don't go like that. This real life. I don't know what kind of world y'all live in. Sit on the couch, wait, think some shit gonna fall out the sky. Nigga call, hey, come outside and get this $2 million. Come outside and get this 300,000. Come outside and get it. Like, shit, I'm waiting that shit. Let me know when y'all see that shit happening, and I do it too. And you ain't bringing nothing to the table. You ain't got no kind of no shit. Like, man, you ain't bringing 10% to that shit. Like, no nothing. Like, and what you want, this person or that person or whoever the hell, oh, bro, I know he can turn me up. He can do this right here, do like, bro, like.
What you bring to the table?
Do it make sense? Do it make sense on your end and my end, or do it just make sense on your end?
And the sad part is, motherfuckers don't even give a fuck if it makes sense on your end.
That's why I don't
long
give a
as
fuck
it makes
about
sense on their end, and it don't make sense on your end, they don't give a fuck. But then they mad at